Okay, so today we're going to be drawing shapes and dividing them with their lines of symmetry. So first thing I'm going to do is just click on the screen and write lines of symmetry. And you will also put your name somewhere on here. So I'll put it. I can always change that. Make it smaller, make it bigger, whatever you need to do. I don't really do small. There we go. So we're going to go to where we make our shapes. You're going to be making empty shapes. Make quite a bit of them. Just grab a shape. That's not going to work. There we go. It's an oval. You need to make a square, rectangle, all those basic shapes. That would even work. If you want any different shapes, they do have them, so at least get a couple of those. One there, maybe an 8-sided octagon. We've already got those. And maybe also make a rectangle. Go find us a rectangle. Well, that's not going to let us do a rectangle. There it is. Okay. Now that you have as many as you can get on there, we're going to do the lines of symmetry. So go on the line tool, find just a line, and remember you can move these if you don't get them right the first time. The line of symmetry, you're going to draw right down the middle to where if you were to half it, it would look exactly the same on both sides. Like this one, I don't quite have it exactly right. I may want it to go straight up and down. It's going to be very hard to probably do this on here. Just a little bit. Try to get it exact as possible. Some of them have more than one line of symmetry, probably most of them. So I'm going to go and also make the other one. You can always go back and fix it. One. It's going to be hard to get them perfect, so just try. 3. Be the same if we cross that both directions. Same with the square. There we go. That one needs to be moved over, but I'll do that in a second. So I'll go back up here and make sure I move them where they look exactly perfect. Some of them kind of don't really look so good. Just try your best. When you are finished today, you are going to print this to hand in so I know that you understand what a line of symmetry is. And then I have some symmetry websites on eChalk for you to go to practice these skills. I'm not really sure 100%. A circle could really have like a trillion different lines, but we're going to go with one. So if you do one, you could really do it all the way around. So we're going to just put one. And the rest of them, I did find that this one has 4 sides. Divide that in 2. That happens to be the number of symmetry lines we have. This has 6 sides, and it has 3 lines of symmetry. This had the triangle, because it's isosceles and exactly the same all the way around, would be able to have a line of symmetry coming out of each angle. This has 8 sides and 4 different lines of symmetry. So once you have this, you're going to print it to hand in and go to those symmetry websites.